Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to enable Rakuten notifications. If you're a fan of cashback deals and exclusive offers, Rakuten is your go-to app. But what's the point if you miss out on notifications? Let's get you set up in just a few simple steps so you can stay in the loop on all the best deals. First off, a quick refresher. Rakuten is a popular cashback platform that partners with thousands of stores to give you money back on your purchases. Enabling notifications means you'll get real-time alerts for new deals, price drops, and personalized recommendations. Super handy for saving big without the hassle. To start, make sure you have the Rakuten app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, search for Rakuten, and download it for free. Once it's ready, open the app and log in to your account. If you're new, you'll need to create one. It's quick and painless. Now, let's enable those notifications. Tap on the menu icon, usually in the top left or right corner. It's that three-line hamburger icon. From there, scroll down and select Settings or Account Settings. Look for the Notifications option. It might be under Preferences or App Settings. Once you find it, toggle the switch to turn on notifications. You can customize what types you want, like push notifications for deals or email alerts for your cashback earnings. One thing to watch out for: if you're on an iPhone, you might need to check your device's general settings too. Go to your iPhone's Settings app, find Rakuten in the list, and ensure notifications are allowed there. For Android users, it's similar. Just head to your phone's settings, then Apps, select Rakuten, and verify notifications are enabled. If you run into any issues, like notifications not showing up, try restarting the app or checking your phone's notification permissions. Rakuten's support team is also great. Check their help section for more tips. And there you have it. You're now all set to receive timely notifications and maximize your savings. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Catch you in the next one.